Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, EC8691 microprocessor and microcontroller, the unit of 8051 microcontroller. Today, we are going to discuss about the topic input-output pins, port and circuits. The 8051 has a 4 bidirectional port P0 to P3. Each port like a container of latches, a driver and input-output buffer. We see that table of content. The port 0, that is a pin is a 23 to 29, that is a P 0.02 0.7, and then the port 1 is a pin conditions of 1 to 8, that is a P 1.02 P 1.7, and then port 2 the pins of 21 to 28, the P 2.02 2.7, and then port 3 the pin 10 to 17 P3.02 P3.7. In the port 0 operations, it is an 8-bit open collector bidirectional input output port. It performs a two functional, that is a simple input out operation, external memory interface for lower order address bus and data buses. Now the simple input and output operations, the data from internal bus will be written into D flip-flop and responsible to the return in latch signal from CPU. The output of the flip-flop is placed on the internal bus through the buffer. When a pin is used as a input, a 1 must be written to corresponding port 0 latches. When it is used in the output, the data will be directly loaded to the latches. If a 0 is the output, the FET T2 is turned on and the output pin will be grounded. So when the address is transferred to the pin, the control signals will collect the address information directly to the logic 1 on the address. So the 8051 memory read is recorded, then the 8051 places an 1 on the latch and thus reconfigure the pin to receive the data. The P0 is an open drive. When P0 is used for simple data input output, we must connect it external pull-up resistors. And then port 1 operation, the port 1 is a bidirectional, that is a input output port will internally FET pull-up and active pull-up load. When port 1 is input, the logic level 1 return to the latches, returning the lower FET off. The pin will be connected to the pin read buffer and is pulled high the FET loaders. An external circuit can overcome the high impedance pull-up and pull-down circuit. The pin low to input 0 or leave the input high for 1. When used as a output port, the value will be loaded to the latch. If the value is 1, then lower FET is turned off and this drive the pin high through pull-up load. If the value is 0, the lower FET is pulled off and then pin to the 0. So the internal pull-up has two FETs, one is enhancement type, another is a depletion type. So these are the port 1 operation of 8051 microcontroller. And then port 2 operation, port 2 is it can be used as a bidirectional input output port, or it can be used for output higher order address bus for external memory interfaces. The port 2 does not need any pull-up registers since it already pull up the resistors internally. When used as a input output port, the operation is similar to the port 1. When port 2 is used as a higher order address bit for external memory access, the control logic will pass the latch and the address bit directly connected to the pin through the port 2 operation. Now we see the port 3 operation. The port 3 is a bidirectional input and output port with internally pull up. When used for serial input output port, the operation is similar to the port 1. The input and output function can be programmed under the control of port 3 latches or under the control of various other special function registers. Thank you for watching this video.